Are you one of those who, every wash hair day, ask the recurring question, what am I going to treat my hair with this week for crying out loud? Well, if you are, don't worry. I got you covered. Just walk into your pantry or your garden and you'll find the answer. The recipes, that one I could share with you. No need to buy expensive deep conditioners if you can't afford it. One or two items from your cupboard can do the trick. So, I'm going to share some of my recipes with you and the benefits they provide. Let's go. Let's start with the coconut. If you have a coconut, you can choose to make coconut milk and use it as a conditioner. Or you can get some coconut oil, mix it up with some fresh rosemary or even dried rosemary leaves, and prepare a herbal oil. With the rosemary and coconut oil, you will get a treatment that can promote your hair, stimulate hair follicles, improve blood circulation, help you detangle your hair, prevent protein loss, and add shine to your hair. And that's one treatment you can use. The next treatment could be to prepare a hair mask using items like avocado, yogurt, aloe vera, honey, olive oil. You could even add some eggs into the mix to prepare a hair mask that can provide moisture, strengthen the hair, and help repair damage. If you don't have all of these items, you can just use two of this combination and you can still get added benefits. Blend them all, and your hair mask will be ready. Apply it on your hair that has already been dampened and cover with a plastic cap for about 30 minutes. When you're done, you rinse it out and your hair will be properly moisturized. The next option could be to make a herbal tea rinse using hibiscus, rosemary, cloves, cinnamon, and green tea to strengthen your hair, to promote hair growth, to control dandruff, and to help prevent dandruff and reduce hair loss. So this can be used after washing your hair. You use as a final rinse on wash hair days. The next treatment is one of my favorites. I like to use it as a pre-poo treatment. I use it as a detangler to strengthen my hair too, prevent breakage, increase hair thickness and growth. And that's the fenugreek and flaxseed gel, one of my favorites. Well, if you've got just aloe vera, that is absolutely perfect. You can use it to moisturize your hair. You can use it to maintain the pH balance of your hair, and it will help in hair growth. Another fantastic option is making rice water. Rice water can help your hair grow faster. It can make your hair smooth and shiny. It is a great option. And yes, why not coffee oil? Coffee oil can help promote hair growth. It can improve blood circulation and reduce hair loss. Oh, yes, green tea is needed as a hairspray or hair rinse to help stop hair fall. It serves as a DHT blocker. Another powerful option is moringa. Moringa is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which can nourish your scalp and strengthen your hair follicles. I like to use it as a hairspray. Then there is the option of using apple cider vinegar. I use this after shampooing and conditioning my hair as a final rinse to help retain moisture, to help reduce frizz, and restore the pH balance of my hair and scalp. And here we are with another powerful ingredient called black seed. You can make black seed oil weeks in advance before your wash hair day, and it can be used to make your hair healthy. It can strengthen your hair and reduce breakage. Black seed oil is a powerful one. And finally, Ayurveda herbs. This is herbs, this natural herbs. We can't end this discussion without Ayurveda herbs. Of course not. These herbs help with different hair problems. So whether it's amla, fenugreek, aloe vera, brahmi bringaj, shikaikai neem, you name it, all of them, ashwagandha. These herbs make a hair mask from with them or herbal oil. Apply it on your hair as a treatment before shampooing or conditioning, or the herbal oil, you can even apply it on a daily basis or every other day if you want. These herbs are powerful. I can't express enough how much benefits they've done for my hair. So these are the treatments, and I hope you can make use of them. Thanks for watching. God bless you, and keep being kind. Cheers.